So right now some of you are thinking, here we go again, another world's brightest or world's best. Those are words that get kicked around a lot on the internet. We hear that all the time. But I assure you, the Olight X7 Marauder is something very different. Let's just classify world's brightest flashlight for a minute. I'm not in any way boasting, but these hands handle a lot of flashlights. But of all of those flashlights, they have never held a smaller, more compact powerhouse than the Olight X7. This tiny powerhouse delivers its factory rated 9,000 out the front lumens. Now you might say, Matt, I've seen plenty of flashlights that say they have a higher output than that. But if you've seen my video, Internet Lumens versus Actual Lumens, you know that's all they're doing is saying that. There are manufacturers building legitimate lights that output more than 9,000 lumens. But could you do this with one of those lights? How about this? Or even this? Okay, maybe not that. All I'm saying is none of those lights have the portability at 9,000 lumens that the Olight X7 Marauder has. So how about the user interface? Once again, we've got the Olight one-click on, one-click off UI. However, this time we have a total of 7 modes. From the on position, we can press and hold the switch, which will cycle our low, medium, high, and when you find the one you want, you let off. But we also have a Turbo and a Turbo S mode, which can be accessed with a double click and then a double click again. That gives you your maximum output of 9,000 lumens. The light does have a mode memory, but Turbo and Turbo S are not memorized. To access the Firefly mode, you simply press and hold. To access the strobe, you can do 3 fast clicks from any position. The light also has a lockout. If you press and hold, when the Firefly comes on, continue to press and hold for just a few seconds. That will lock out the switch function. To gain access again, you just press and hold, wait a few seconds, and then you're back in business. It does not have the mechanical lockout. You can unscrew the tail cap, but it's still accessible that way. It's powered by 4 18650 lithium-ion batteries. These cells need to be capable of a discharge of at least 8 amps. One great thing about this too is it doesn't just rely on large PCBs like some of the cheap lights. They just have one great big PCB in there and the cells slide around on it. They have good high quality contacts, and there's really no way that you could get this wrong as long as you get the batteries in the right direction. There's a couple of pins here that you can see. This swivels, and these pins will line up in the holes right there. Looking down the barrel, you can see we have 3 Cree XHP70 LEDs highlighted with this attractive blue ring and shrouded with a really good orange peel aluminum reflector that eliminates all of the articles and dark crosses that are associated with the 4-dye emitters. The beam of the Olight X7 is velvety soft on a white wall, and even better once you get outside. It has a bright center, but I almost hesitate to call it a hot spot because it's so evenly spread and blends well with the spill. But it's also got range too. 313 meters is the calculated beam distance for this light, and it feels that way when you're using it. I'd like to hear what you guys think. Do you have a portable flashlight that you think rivals the Olight X7 for world's brightest? Let me know in the comments. To see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.